Hey guys, so it is tomorrow, which is today, and today we're going to be looking at cutting out that exhaust. That way we can get to the inside of that frame rail, weld up that inner seam, clean up all those welds, try and make them look as nice as possible. I need to get a couple things from the store. I got two of these things, a bed liner, a truck bed liner, whatever you call it. Let's get to it. Just got that exhaust out. I had to grind off one of these guys. The other one, I can't turn the bolts on it, but it was loose. So that just kind of slid off. Alright guys, so here it is. That one and this one are two different O2 sensors. So if you want your engine to run like crap, break these or don't plug them back in. Part one today is done. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna grab everything that I need. So I'm back in the store. I wanna show you very quickly all the crap I got and then working on the frame. Finally, I am done welding on the Jeep frame. Taking that exhaust piece out made like a world's difference. It was an extra step, but I'm very happy I made it. I was so happy that not only did all the frame pieces go in how they should have, and the welds turned out nice on them, all the holes lined up from the transfer case bolting to the transfer case pan to all of the bolts lining up on the frame. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. I'm excited that now I can drive the Jeep again, start this adventure and share it with you because that's what this channel is all about. Now that can finally happen.